I will show you how to find the data of population of different countries in the recent 30 years. Type of population of that country over time. For example, Canada. Population of Canada over time. You have to type over time. Otherwise, you won't get the data over 30 years. Enter. We are looking for this micro trends. Click. So you get Canada historical population data. We need the data over 30 years. So highlight 2022 to 1993. 1993. Right-click, copy. Then right-click, use this. This column didn't show the number because the width of this column is not big enough. Then we delete this column. Type of population. This is a year. Then we need to insert a column between year and population. Number. When you work on regression line, we will change years into certain numbers, normally from 0. So we will type here 29, 28. Then make sure here is a plus sign, then drop down. We will use number and population to figure out different regression line. Highlight these two columns. Insert. Scatter plot. Change the title. Population of Canada from 1993 to 2022. We will add the title of the axis. Population. Years since 1993. Right-click these dots, then add a trend line. We try to figure out the linear pattern. Display equation on chart. Display I-squared value on chart. R-squared value is the coefficient of determination. Then you right-click the trend line. Format trend line. Click here. You can change color. Then change this dash type into solid line. 3E07 means 3 times 10 to the 7th power. The next step, copy this scatter plot. Paste. Then we will select this scatter plot. Click here. Uncheck trend line. Then right-click the points. Add trend line again. This time, according to this shape, I can use exponential. Then check these two. Then click here. Change the color into green. Then change dash type into solid one. If you want to, you can increase this width. Then bring this down. This is an exponential function. Then copy this scatter plot again. Click here, uncheck trend line. Then right-click the points, add trend line. I will check a polynomial pattern. Order is 2, which means a quadratic function. Check these two. Then click here, format trend line. Solid line. The color. Then you can copy this to the PowerPoint. So you could see the function clearly. Then you need to compare the coefficient of determination for these three regression functions. This r squared equals 0.9955 for linear function. R squared equals 0.999 for exponential function. For quadratic function, R squared is 0.9996. So we could say this quadratic pattern is the best fit among these three regression lines. We will copy the regression line into Word document. Control C, Control V. Highlight the regression equation, then Control C, Control V. Then highlight all these 6. Insert equation. 3e plus 7 means 3 times 10 to the 7th power. Click equation times 10 to the 7th power. This is a power form. 10 7th. I will copy this. This is also 3 times 10 to the 7th power. Click here again. I need this is E. This will go to exponent. I will delete this E. This is x squared. So click this. You will find the x squared here. Three times 10 to the 7th power is here. Then by comparing r squared, quadratic function is the best fit. Then I will use this snipping tool to copy this into the PowerPoint. Quadratic regression line is the best fit. We will use this regression line equation to predict the population in 2040 for Canada. 2040 minus 1993 equals 47. So x equals 46 because this x starts from 0. Then we will do the substitution for every single x, changing into 46. We will get about 48 million people. Then you can use a snipping tool to copy this to the PowerPoint. This will be the math part for the population.